Hello guys, welcome to Python course. So in this video we will discuss about very basic and very important terms we are using in Python or any programming language. So first is value and types. So value is a thing which we are storing in a memory. Like we have a string hello. So whenever you are writing a string, it should be in double quotes or single quotes. And what is the difference between them? I will discuss in string lecture. So you have to only focus on string, how we are using string. And if I will write 4, so this is an integer type value and 4.5 is a floating type value. So but these all are values and we are storing all the values inside memory. So let's have a look how we can use these values and how we can get the type of values in Python. So first of all you have to go. Today I will use interpreter only because we are working on a simple programming or mathematical programming. So no need to use the Eclipse. So let's have a look. Python 2.7 IDLE. So this is the interpreter and we will work on it. If we have a value and how we can get the type of that value. So it's very easy in Python. Just type built-in function and pass any value here. It will return the type of that value, whatever you are passing here. So it is string type. Let's have a different example. Integer type. Now I will pass 4.5, that is floating. Let's see. Floating type. So like that we can grab the type of any value in Python. Now we will move to the variable. What is variable? The variable is a name that refers a value. So we are having a value and if we want to store this value inside memory, then we will refer this value with a name. Like name. Name is a variable and it refers the value like Rohan. So this is the value which refers by variable name is name and equals means we are assigning this value to the variable. So variable is name. Let's see how we can use the variable name and what are the rules we have. So simple, I will take one example. Name equals Rohan and if I will print like name, so it will return the value whatever it refers. So we have some rules to create the variable name. The first rule is can't use number as the variable name in starting of a string. So let's see. If I will write some 1 to name, this is the variable name, and want to store Rohan, will it work? No, syntax error will come. So this is the first rule, don't use numbers starting of any variable name. If I will use it in between like 12, so it will work. So in between I can use name 1 2. And the last also we can use, but in starting we can't use. The second rule is we can use underscore. This underscore we can use in starting, in between or in the last. It's up to you. So if I will start with underscore name equals Rohan, it will work. If I want to insert the underscore in between of the string, like na underscore me equals Rohan, then also it will work. If I will insert the underscore in the last of the string, variable name equals Rohan, it will work. So the second rule is we can use underscore. Or the last rule is don't use special characters. It will not accept. If I will use any special character like dollar name equals Rohan, so it will return the syntax error. Let's move the keywords. So keywords are reserved, which is used to recognize the structure of program. So in first lecture, I told you we have some grammar to identify the language or some keywords that is reserved. If I will talk in English, so we have some set of rules that is called grammar. Python also having grammar and it's having own keywords. So keywords are to recognize the structure of program. There are 31 keywords of Python 2. Let's see how we can get. So simple, you have to type help, inside that pass keywords. It will return. Here is a list of the Python keywords. Enter any keyword to get more help. So and, as, elif, if, print, lots of keywords are there and we will use it in the next sessions as the program requirement. Now let's have a look about operators and operand.